Generating a defect report in Jira helps you analyze and manage bugs and issues effectively. Here's how to create a defect report in Jira. Log into Jira. Access your Jira instance using your credentials. Navigate to the project. Go to the project where the defects are being tracked. You can do this by selecting the project from the projects dropdown in the top navigation bar. Go to the Issues section. In the project sidebar, click on Issues to access all issues related to the project. Filter for defects. Use Jira search and filtering functionality to narrow down the list of issues to defects. Click on the Filters menu and select Advanced Issue Search. Use JQL to create a filter for defects. For example, use issue type equals bug to list only the bugs or defects. You can add more criteria, such as status equals open or priority equals high, to refine your search. Save the filter. Once you have the desired list of defects, save the filter by clicking on the Save As button. Name the filter appropriately. Generate and export the report. With the filter saved, you can generate a report by selecting the Export option. Click on the Export button, choose the desired format, and download the defect report. Create visual reports. For visual insights, use Jira's built-in reporting tools or dashboards. Go to the Report section in your project and choose a relevant report type like Issue Statistics, or create a custom dashboard widget to visualize defect data.